how to use tsumori to intend to do something. So here we have a super useful piece of language to express intention to do an action. Following a verb, simply put tsumori to express that you intend to do that action. So like here in Ryu ga gotoku Isshin, I intend to gain the trust of the Shinsengumi. Often da or des follow tsumori to make that statement stronger or more polite. So like for example, I intend to study every day. 毎日勉強するつもりだ。
俺も同行するつもりだ。どういうつもりだ。俺たちまで裏切るのか。
ありがとう、フレスベルグ。
あれは以前何をするつもりだ。
この戦争を終わらせ平和を取り戻すために力を尽くすつもりです。もちろんそのつもりです。
But it can be used without da or des, and it can even be used just simply in questions.
万神や古の神を調査するつもり。
急に何のつもり？
お前、どういうつもりだ？
いや、話して。私何をするつもりですか？
It can also be used with datta and deshita to express the past tense. So tsumori datta or tsumori deshita means that you intended on doing something in the past. So I intended on telling him everything. 言うつもりでした。
すべてを言うつもりでした。
Or did he intend on finishing their opponent off with a berry?
エイパムのやつは木の実で相手をやっつけるつもりだったのか？
And also, if you wanted to express that you don't intend on doing something, you could put つもりはない after the action.
あなたの思想や意思を否定するつもりはないわ。
Or you didn't intend on doing something, you could put つもりはなかった. I didn't intend on doing the thing that came before つもり.
ダーパ局長は殺すつもりはなかったんだな。
別に隠すつもりはなかったんです。
So tsumori is a really important piece of grammar here to express the intent on doing an action. And just remember that you use it after a verb, often followed with da, des, or even a question, but it can be used just by itself to express that you intend on doing that thing. And you can also use it with tsumori wa nai or tsumori wa nakata to express that you don't or didn't intend on doing something. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much guys for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and if you really love the channel, then come join us in the Game Gengo Discord community, either directly through the Game Gengo website or through Patreon. Thanks so much guys for watching, and as always, I will see you again in the next video. See you guys.